Hey, Scott Lara, president of militaryfairs.com, your one-stop shop for travel. If you're a member of the military, if you're a veteran like I am or a family member of a military person, militaryfairs.com. Okay, we got Memorial Day coming up at the end of the month. And what are my tips for traveling during Memorial Day? Number one, getting to the airport early. You know, back in the day, you could get there a half an hour before your flight left, no longer. Even with TSA pre-check or with global entry, you still want to get to the airport 2 hours ahead of time. Makes it so much less stressful, right? I know a lot of people, and I've done this in the past too, race to the airport, your heart's beating, you're gonna forget something. Hey, I almost forgot my iPad one time going through TSA. You know, I put it on the conveyor belt and I'm putting my shoes on, my belt on, and, oh, sir, you forgot your iPad, you know? And of course, that's when you're blonde and you don't have a gallbladder, you tend to forget stuff, and when you get older. But getting to the airport 2 hours early is what I highly recommend. Secondly, if you haven't booked your airfare or hotel yet for Memorial Day, I urge you to do that today at militaryfairs.com, because the fact of the matter is airline prices are only going to go up. With all this unrest in the world, political, geopolitical, airfare is tied to oil prices. And it's just critical that you get your airline tickets and your hotels booked now. Same with cruises. I mean, I have so many cruise lines out there talking to me, Virgin Voyages, MSC, Carnival, NCL, Holland America Line, Asmara, Viking. You have a lot of cruise lines out there, both ocean and river, and they're all competing for your business, right? Well, back in the day, they would slash prices, but I don't see deep discounts right now. I do see that MSC is giving discounts, which I appreciate. Virgin Voyages is giving some discounts, but it seems like everybody else is, charging what they can because they know of the high demand. Now, I will tell you, there's lots of cruise lines that give military discounts on travel, and I can help you with that. Just email me, scott@militaryfairs.com. I mean, Carnival gives a discount. MSC gives a discount. Celebrity gives a discount. There's a couple river cruises that give discounts for veterans and active duty military. I have all those details. So if you have any questions about that, scott@militaryfairs.com. And with Virgin Voyages, we're working closely with them to give veterans and military a great deal. I can't share it with you now, but we are working to give, to work to do that. But again, we'll see what happens, and who knows? Scott Lara, president of militaryfairs.com.